Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for day 193. This was the 11th of March 2023, a Saturday. I did exercise. I had a coaching call with Jeffrey Combs. I worked on books. I worked on insurance, and I worked on websites, and I made Livegood calls and videos. And that's basically it. A lot of stuff going on, but managed to accomplish everything. So I'm grateful for tools like Canva. Canva is an excellent tool. I'm learning it. I am tapping into that creative side. Maybe I'm not all that creative, but I'm glad that the tools like Canva exist that make it somewhat easier than having nothing at all. So I'm grateful for the tools that are out there, and I made a Livegood video separate. I hope you watch that. And if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.